Everything was definitely age appropriate, easy enough for me to do, and really relevant to what I do in my life.
So it was a pretty special thing to be able to sing two really fabulous songs today, and I was blown away at how beautiful they were, almost a bit teary. So that was great.
It was just such a great day. It was a relaxing day, it was a fun day, and it was a great day to network.
I think the whole music department and the drama department should get on board with this as well. I'll be contacting you guys again for some more PD.
Above and beyond what I expected today was going to be like. It was fantastic. Could keep it going.